Hello, fellow food enthusiasts. Welcome back to Blog and Good Food. Today, we are diving into a world of delicious and healthy salad recipes that are perfect for weight loss. Our journey begins with a burst of freshness. Fruit salads are not only nutritious but also incredibly satisfying. Next up, we have everyone's favorite, potato salad. These creamy and hearty potato salads are perfect for any occasion. Craving something a bit more substantial? Dive into these pasta salad creations. These easy pasta salad recipes are great for picnics or quick lunches. If you are looking to add some green goodness to your plate, check out these broccoli salads. Packed with nutrients, these salads are a fantastic choice for a healthy lifestyle. Let's spice things up with some taco salad inspiration. These flavor packed salads are a fiesta on your plate. Corn lovers, this one's for you. Feast your eyes on these vibrant corn salads. Perfect for summer, these salads are a celebration of freshness. Looking to up your protein intake, these bean salads have got your back. Packed with flavor and nutrients, these salads are a healthy choice. Let's take a culinary journey to the Mediterranean with this delightful quinoa salad. Mediterranean cuisine is known for its health benefits and rich savory flavors. This quinoa salad combines the goodness of quinoa, fresh vegetables, olives, and feta cheese, all result with a tangy vinaigrette. It's a perfect choice for those seeking a balanced and tasty meal that's also great for weight management. Let's explore the flavors of Asia with this sensational seasoned ginger salad. Asian cuisine is renowned for its vibrant and aromatic dishes, and this salad is no exception. Packed with colorful vegetables, tender grilled chicken or tofu, and a mouth-watering sesame ginger dressing. It's a wholesome and flavorful option for those looking to add variety to their weight loss meal plan. There you have it, folks, an expanded selection of quick and easy salad recipes that are not only healthy but also scrumptious. Which one will you try first? Stay tuned for more mouth-watering food inspiration from Blog and Good Food.